This is snow, guys. We're up in the mountain and it's snowing right now. So here's the snow. Jeez. It's snowing. Okay guys, we are driving and we are experiencing not turbulence but winter. This is winter. A while ago it's so sunny and the weather is beautiful, but this is driving in snow. It's currently snowing. We just went up to the mountain and now this is what it looks like in the room. Actually, it looks like it's a freezing rain, right? So
Not really. It's not too cold.
it's not too bad, but for those early or beginner driver, just be cautious of driving. This is a total wipeout. This is winter, guys. This is how it look like. Hindi mo na makita kung ano yung kasalubong mo.
Put your lights on.
Actually, mild pa lang ito. And then, my friend here reminded me to put the lights on. So, at least yung kasalubong mo, makikita niya na merong
Sasakyan.
sasakyan. Tignan mo itong isang hindi na dito, Grace. So, tignan niyo yung mga sasakyan, halos hindi na makita. Tapos naka-light na sila. At actually,
High beam na ba?
naka-high beam ba itong mga to? Mahirap ding mag-high beam kasi
Oo, masisilaw.
masisilaw naman sila, pero this is total. Kaya slow down lang guys, yung eto na, tignan nyo na kung may makikita kayo. Ayan, nasa kabilang side dito. Nasa kabilang side maraming mga sasakyan, halos hindi na makita yung yung kasalubong natin. At saka itong daan na to, it's a two-way road. All of a sudden lang, kanina nasa mountain tayo, nagbibideo pa tayo doon pero walang snow. So, this is a total wipeout. Kasi, hindi natin makita yung mga kasalubong natin. So, I already put my lights on. Yung kasalubong ko, yung nasa likuran ko, nag-slow down na rin siya. Kasi nga, halos hindi na rin nakita. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman nakita nyo yung speed fines, kailangan nasa 60 tayo. So, parang we need to slow down. Wow, itong road na to, it's under construction pa. So,
It's getting higher.
yeah. Okay, we're almost there and hindi ko na makita. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga side ng mga road.
Okay. This is for you to see how the trees look like.
Yeah. Pag-video ngayon ang aking kaibigan para
Very-
maipakita sa inyo
Yung
kung
beauty.
beauty ng snow,
At saka beauty ng nawalang
parang
nakikita.
beauty and beast.
Ano? Okay na ba ito? No, ma'am.
Okay, still klinikin ko ang windshield ko but it's no use kasi
It won't stop.
it won't stop. For how long we don't know. So that's the risk you're going to take. So looks like is this the 69?
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah.
So I don't know whether this is the 17th. Titignan mo, you have to slow down kasi yung mga nagme-merge,
They don't stop.
they don't really care. Kasi, you know, if you're going straight, you have the right of way. But sometimes, those merging, they take the opportunity to merge
And go
without
ahead.
waiting. And go ahead, yes, you are right. So this is what happened now. And, you know, look like we can't really see the road.
Okay.
Actually, guys, this road is still under construction. Ito, nakita niyo naman. Ayun, grabe.
There's so many big, huge trucks.
Yeah, huge trucks na to. Hindi ko na makita kung ako'y nag-ano sila, ng, it's almost like it's not really a snow, a solid snow, but a frozen rain kind of. It's hard to explain.
Yeah, wet snow.
Wet snow, yeah. So to summarize, it's a wet snow. Hopefully na malapit-lapit na tayo.
No, we
At
haven't.
1 street pa lang tayo.
Yeah, okay. You want me to stop?
So, we're still on the road, guys. Pumuti na siya. Ito na. Nag-snow ng malakas. Kasalukuyan pang nag-snow. Ito siya. Ayan po. Nakita nyo naman maputi ng mga trees. Ayan. Ayan siya. Siya may naglalakad dyan. May naglalakad. Slushy. Very slushy siya. Kita niyo yung ano. Yan. Wet snow. Ito yung dinadaanan ko, no? Dumaan ako ng isang araw, eh. Okay pa siya, eh. Okay. All of a sudden lang this afternoon, yung snow. So, yan yung nakikita pang snow. Okay, malapit na ako sa bahay namin. For a few minutes pa. Gusto ko lang ipakita itong ako sa aming bahay. Ito yung dinadaanan. Snow pa rin. Snowy condition. So, makikita natin na very wet snow. Ito siya. Hey, I'm finally home. Yan ang snow. Ayan, nakikita natin yung snow. Kasalukuyan pang umuulan. I'm finally home, guys, and you could see here's the snow. Yeah, pathways are already covered with snow again. Ayan siya. Snow. Ayan. Covered ng snow. Ayan. Ayan. Puro covered ng snow. Ayan siya. Well, enjoy the snow while it lasts. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.